Welcome to Donna Cooking, and in this week's video I'll be showing you a healthy meal plan that you can prep for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So let's get started. I'm going to share with you a really quick and easy stovetop granola that you can put together when you just feel like having something healthy for breakfast that's quick and easy to make on your stovetop. So I'm going to show you how to make it right now. After you put the maple syrup in, it gets all nice and clumpy. So now all I gotta do is add the dried cherries and just a little bit of cinnamon. And there you have it. It's all done and it's gonna be so good. Come along with me. I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite lunches, and I think that if you like Asian food at all, you're going to love it too. It's super quick and easy to make, so I'm going to eat it, but go ahead and watch how to make it. Come along with me while we make homemade tortillas. So first we're going to need 3 cups of flour. And then we're going to need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to break up the butter a little bit with a fork so it's a little bit smaller pieces really quick. And 1 cup of hot water. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking.